Children, let us continue the chapter Statistics. It is a continuation of the exercise 4 of the chapter. The second question. During the medical checkup of 35 students of a class, their weights are recorded as follows. Weight in kg and number of students, that is CF. Less than 38, number of students 0. Less than 40 kg, number of students 3. Less than 42 kg, 5 students. Less than 44 kg, 9 students. And less than 46 kg, 14 students. Less than 48 kgs, 28 students. Less than 50 kgs, 32 students. Less than 52 kgs, 35 students. Less than 50, 32 students. Less than 52, 35 students. Draw a less than type OG for the given data. Hence, obtain the median weight from the graph and verify the result by using the formula. Here, already it is given that is less than, and cumulative frequency is given. As there are 35 students here, that is covered, and it is a cumulative frequency. So, let us take the 38, 40, 42, 44, 46, 48, 50, 52 on the x-axis, which are the upper limit they are. So, you take 0 here, and it is a upper limit. Upper limit. And you take the cumulative frequency on the y-axis. Cumulative frequency, that is on the y-axis. Here. Now, see the maximum here. 38, 42, two difference are there. And how many classes are there here? 3 plus 3, 8 are there. So, you take 1 centimeter for 1 class here. That is, you start from 38 because it is less than 38. And here there is a compression. 38, 40, 42, 44, 46, 48 and 50, 52, that completes here. And cumulative frequency on the y-axis, see the minimum and maximum, that is 0 and 35. So here how many boxes are, you count? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So you can take 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, like this way. 40, 45, 50. Now the first one, you note down here, 38, 0. 38, 0, you mark here. 38, 0. Next you take 43. 43. 43 means here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So you take the third box. Then next one is 42, 5. 42, 5 you take here. Then 44, 9. 44, 9. 9 means 1 less than 10. It comes here. Then 46, 46, 14, 48, 28. 46, 14. So you take 46, 14 means that is 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 comes here. Then 48, 28. 48, 28. 26, 27, 28. Then 50, 50, 32, 52, 35. 32, 35, 32. 32 comes here and 52, 35 comes here. Now you join the points. You will get a smooth curve here. It is a smooth curve. It is a less than type ogive, right? Less than type ogive. You got the less than type ogive, and by using this ogive, there we have to find out the median. By using this less than type ogive, we have to find the median of the distribution, and after that we have to verify the median by using the formula. Now you take n here. N is how much? 35. N by 2 equals 35 by 2. We will get 17.5. Locate 17.5 on the y-axis. Here this is 15, 16, 17 and it is 17.5. Locate 17.5 on the y-axis. From this point, draw a line parallel to the x-axis, cutting the curve at a point. From that point, draw a perpendicular to the x-axis. The point of intersection of this perpendicular with the x-axis determines the median of the given data. So here mark the 17.5 on the y-axis. You know that here this is 16, this is 17 and this is 17.5. Mark that 17.5. Now here you got the point of intersection of that line which is perpendicular to the x-axis. You will get approximately it is equals to 46 point. You can make out 46 point. Here it is 47 and 4 you can take 46.4. Approximately it is 46.4. So you take median equals 46.4. If you are not having graph sheet, you can also draw the ogive on the sheet of paper by drawing two perpendicular axes, x-axis and y-axis. This is the origin. Now you take the upper limit on the x-axis mark the points on it for the upper limit. And also mark the point on the y-axis for the cumulative frequency. This is for cumulative frequency, or shortly you write CF. CF on the y-axis and upper limit on the when you take 38, 40, 42, 44, 46, 48, 50, 52, 54, like this way. And here you take 5 for 1 centimeter, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, like this way. Now the first one is, now you take the first one 38, 0, you mark here. And next less than 40 is 3. 3 means of this you will get 2.5. So here it is, put dot here, that is 43. Next 42, 5. 42, 5 comes here straight to 5. Next 44, 9. 44, 9 means that is nearer to 10. The next 46, 14, that is nearer to 15. And 48, 28, 28 is nearer to 30. And 50, 32, that is greater than 30. Next 54, 35. 54, 35. Now you join the point. This is a less than type ogive. Less than type ogive. Here we got a less than type ogive on a sheet of paper. So no need of having graph sheet. You can draw on the sheet of paper also by taking two perpendicular axes, x-axis and y-axis, and representing upper limit on the x-axis, taking particular scale, and cumulative frequencies on the y-axis. Here the taken scale you can write, scale is on x-axis, 1 centimeter equals, that is 5 kg we have taken, not 5 kg, 1 centimeter equals 2 kg we have taken. The difference is here 2, 1 centimeter equals 2 kg, and on y axis we have taken 1 centimeter equals 5 cf. 1 centimeter equals 5 cf. To find the median, you take n by 2. N by 2, that is same, 35 by 2, you will get 17.5. And you come to 17.5. Know that is 17.5 is in the middle of 15 and 20. So you draw the line parallel to the x-axis from the 17.5, and that line meets the curve at this point, and from that point the perpendicular to the x-axis meet at a point, and that point becomes the median here. Observe the point here. 46, 48 is there. This is 47, and in between that 46 and 47 the point is there. So we'll have 46.5 you can have. The median you got 46.5. So you write median equals 46.5, and by using the graph also you got 46.4 approximately, that is equals to 46.5, both are same here. And also you calculate it by using the formula, that is formula for the median. Median equals L plus n by 2 minus CF by F into H. You will get the median and compare the two values. By using the given data, write the frequency distribution table. Here it is given that less than 38, 0, less than 40, 3, less than 42, 5, less than 44, 9, less than 46, 14, less than 48, 28, less than 50, 32, less than 52, 35 is there. So here we have the size of the class is 2, and we have taken the classes 0 to 38, 38 to 40, 40 to 42, 42 to 44, 44 to 46, 46 to 48, 48 to 50, 50 to 52 you got here. And here we have to write the number of students for each class. First you write 0, next it is 3, then 5 minus 3, 2, then 9 minus 5, 4 you write, then 14 minus 9, 5, 28 minus 14, 14, and 32 minus 28, 4, and 35 minus 32, 3. Then you will get 3 plus 2, 5 plus 4, 9, 9 plus 5, 14, 14 plus 14, 28, 28 plus 4, 32, 32 plus 3, 35 you got here. That is 35. Now find the, you got n by 2, n by 2 is 17 point n by 2, n by 2 equals 35 by 2, that is 17.5, that is 28 is nearer to 17.5, 28 is nearer greater to 17.5, therefore it is a CF of the class 46 to 48. Therefore you write 46 to 48 is a median class, is a median class. And now you write L, H, F, CF, then L is 46 and F is 14, CF is that is also 14. Then you write L equals 46, H is 48 minus 46, that equals 2, and also F is 14 and CF is also 14. Then you write the formula for median, that is median equals L plus N by 2 minus CF by F into H, that equals 46 plus 17.5 minus 14 by 14 into 2. Then that equals 46 plus 17.5 minus 14 is, that you can write, that is 3.5. 2 ones are 2 sevens are, by 7 you will get, that is nothing but 46 plus 35 by 70, you will get 35 ones are 35 twos are. Then 46 plus 1 by 2 means 0.5. Then you will get median equals 46 plus 0.5 is 46, 5. In OGIV also we got the same value. So if you compare the values of median got by using the formula and by using the graph are same here. Now let us take the third question. The following table gives production yield per hectare of wheat of 100 farms of a village. Production yield in kg per hectare is given in terms of class interval and also number of farms. Totally 100 farms are taken for consideration. Change the distribution to more than type distribution and draw its OGIV. Here the production class intervals are 50 to 55 kgs per hectare are from 2 farms, and for 55 to 60 by 8 farms, and 60 to 65 by 12 farms, 65 to 70 by 24 farms, 70 to 75 kg per hectare by 38 farms, and 75 to 80 kgs per hectare is by 16 farms. Now let us change this distribution to more than type distribution. So here we have to take more than the lower limit we have to take, that is first one is more than, first lower limit is 50, and for this we have to start from 100. For more than type we have to start from 100. So you know that here more than 50 all are there, and more than 55 these are there, more than 60 these are there, more than 65 these are, more than 75 these two are, and more than 75 these two are. Therefore here we have to take more than 50 means all 100 we have to take. So you write 100. Next, more than 55. More than 55. More than 55. More than 55 means all this comes, means we have to subtract 2 from 100. That is 100 minus 2 is 98. Then more than 60. Third one, take more than 60. We have to subtract this 8 by 90. So you will get 90. Then more than 65. more than 65. More than 65 means we have to subtract 12 by 90. 12 minus 90 is 78. Then more than 70. More than 70 means we have to subtract 24 by 78. That is 78 minus 24 is 54. 78 minus 24, that is 54. Next, more than 75. More than 75. More than 75 is 16 only. That is 54 minus 38. 54 minus 38, that you will get 16. 54 minus 38 is 16. Next, let us start the ogive. To draw the more than type ogive, on the x-axis we have to take the lower limit. Right here, this is lower limit. We have to take the lower limit on the x-axis and the cumulative frequency on the y-axis. Cumulative frequency on the y-axis we have to take. Then this is the origin, and you know that we have to start from 50, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75. So let us take the scale here. It is 1 centimeter equals 5. Let us take 5 kg per hectare. That is on the x-axis. Scale on x-axis, and y-axis let us take 1 centimeter equals 10 cm, as it is up to 100. Now let us write 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, like this way. And now the frequency, let us take 10, 20, right? 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. Now the first one is 50, 50, 100. 50 is 100, you mark here. 55 is 98. 55 is 98. So you take 98. And 60 is 90. 60 is 90 you take. And 65 is 78. 65 is 78. 78 means that is 268. Let us take here 78. 78 means it comes here. 78. 65, 78. 70, 54. 70, 54. 50 is here. Take 50. 50 you got 54. 54 means it comes here. Next 75, 16. 75 is here. 16 is, that is 10, 12, 14, 16. Now you join the points here. Got the curve here. This is a more than type ogive, and see the difference between the less than type ogive and more than type ogive. In less than type ogive, we are taking the upper limit on the x-axis, and in more than type ogive, we are taking the lower limit on the x-axis. And for more than type ogive, you plot the point from the upper portion to lower portion. In the less than type ogive, we locate the points from the lower portion to the upper portion. Now let us draw the more than type ogive on the sheet of paper, that is by without using the graph sheet. And here you draw the two perpendicular axes. One is for the x-axis and other is for the y-axis. Draw the two perpendicular axes. The two axes meet at a point origin, and x-axis is for the lower limit as it is a more than type graph. And y-axis is for the CF. Now you mark the point here by taking 1 centimeter distance, that is for the lower limit. On the y-axis also mark the point at a distance of 1 centimeter from each other. Now you write here, you start it from 50. Here there is a compression 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, like this way. Here also up to 100 is there, means you can take 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, and one more you have by extending it. That is for 100. Now here you write the scale what is taken. Scale on x-axis what you have taken, 1 centimeter equals 5 kg. And on y-axis we have taken 1 centimeter equals 10 forms. 10 forms. Now you mark the point. First you start from 50, 100. So the point comes here. With the help of the scale, you mark the point. The first point is here you mark. That's 50, 100 and 55, 98. 98 means it is approximately nearer to 100. Then you take the next point. That is 60, 90. 60, 90 you take straight here. Mark the point here. That is 60, 90. That's straight to 60 you take. With the help of the scale also you can take here to mark the exact point. Next you take 65, 78. That is nearer to 80. 65, 78. Here 80 is here and here 65 is here. Then the point may come nearer to 80 means here. Then you take next 70, 54. 70, 54 is, that is near the midpoint of the 50 and 60. Right here. And 75, 16. 70, 54 is over. 75, 16. 16 means that is 15 comes here and little more than 15 take here. And that completes the point and join them. So you got a more than type curve, more than type ogive, more than type ogive. This way, without graph sheet, you can draw the ogive graphs. That may be less than type ogive or that may be more than type ogive.